Hey there! In this video, we'll cover voiding and reissuing an invoice in Turnstile. Void and reissue gives you a structured way to correct an issued invoice without disrupting the subscription record or your reporting. If you're ready to make the correction now, start from the issued invoice. Today, we'll do that from the issued invoices tile of the invoice workflow. Find the invoice you'd like to reissue and click the three-dot menu and select Void and Reissue. Turnstile will now void the original and open a new draft invoice that inherits the original invoice's subscription association, service period, and line items. So you're correcting it, not rebuilding it from scratch. Make your edits to the draft and save those. And when you're done, select Void and Issue Now. Review and then click Issue Now to go ahead and send that invoice to your customer. If you need to void the invoice right away but aren't ready to issue the replacement yet, you can separate the two steps. So find your issued invoice and click the three-dot icon and select Void Invoice. That'll remove the invoice from circulation immediately and also take it into the resolved step. When you're ready to issue the replacement, you'll find the voided invoice, click the three-dot menu icon, and select Reissue. A new draft will be created from the original, and from there the process is the same. Edit as needed, and then choose Save as Draft or Issue Now. Whether you correct the invoice immediately or in two steps, Void and Reissue keeps your audit trail intact, your reporting accurate, and your subscription history clean. Turnstile maintains a linked history between the original and the replacement. Voided issues are labeled voided, and the replacement will be labeled with reissued from and show the voided invoice ID. So anyone looking at either invoice can see exactly what happened and navigate between them. For more information or to get in touch with our team, visit turnstile.ai.